Hello and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're back working out in the farm on this 2007 to 2011 Hyundai Ascent. Specifically, we're going to be changing the door master window control switch. Super common problem, usually the driver's side switch breaks, either the springs in it or it snaps off completely. And obviously that's a big problem when you're out in the world and you can't open and close your windows, guys. So very critical thing that needs replacing. Guys, we have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. So if you do need it, click on the title of the video, the description will pop down, click on the link in there, you'll find the switch, $78.30 roughly, don't hold me to that. Guys, free express post anywhere in Australia, and yes, if you are in an international location, we do have FedEx available on checkout, and I'm sure it'll be able to sort it out to your location. Alrighty guys, I'm thinking it's going to take about 10 minutes. It's nice and quick and easy, but other than that guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so master control switch is in this little coin pocket here, but you can't actually remove that coin pocket from this door card, so the whole thing's got to come off. So you've got a Phillips head here, a Phillips head in the coin pocket, and then you can pop this interior cover off. Just grab the handle like so, and you just pop it through like that. You got a Phillips head at the front on the left, and then you can grab your door card, probably grab it on the speaker side where the cup holder is, and just give it a nice tug, and the whole door card will actually pop off like that. Take it up into the air, and then I'll just show you what it looks like behind. Guys, if you have a look straight down into the hole, you'll see two plugs that plug into the master control switch. To undo them, you can just, obviously it's going to be hard considering I don't have three arms, but you can press that plug like so, push it in and then pull it back, give it a nice wiggle. You guys will get it out first go, no doubt. There's one, and then the same thing here. You just press and pull. And then yes, you can grab your door card, bring it over to somewhere a little bit flatter, kind of like a operation table. And then there's the one right there, guys. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, you could very well remove the switch out of the surround if you could get to the screw way underneath here, but unfortunately you can't. So instead, you have to remove the entire sort of that cup holder tray from the card itself, or the coin holder tray rather. It's not too bad. You just grab all these screws. 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, what's that, 4. And then at the front here, it's like a pressure clip. You can just depress it and push it through like that. Of course, remove your door card out of the way, and then at that point now you can access that bottom screw. So you grab it, 1, maybe undo all of them, and then tip them into your hand as such. You can even lift the switch up into the air like so, grabbing them all out. Alrighty guys, so at this point, hopefully you've now already got your new switch delivered from us, and it's time to grab your new switch and of course do the exact same procedure in reverse. Guys, I didn't bring a switch with me today, but cruise onto our website, have a look, check it out. They are just an OEM replica, guys, so they look exactly the same, but obviously brand new. Order on the right side for the Australian, because we drive on the right of the right hand side of the car. Yep, so if you need them, guys, jump on, get it on its way, and then yeah, use this video to save yourself some money. All right, as you can imagine, same procedure, opposite direction. You got your 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you can't get them in, get a magnetic tipped Phillips head. That will help you a lot getting these back in. 1, 2, 3. Now at this point, guys, you ought to do a cleanup of the surround. See this section here? Do a tidy up with a rag and a cloth or whatnot, and do the same thing on this side. Get it all back nice and factory, so everything's looking good. And then you can just bring your switch up. It's a pressure clip in system. Rotate it around, and as you can probably already tell, leading towards the end of the video, it is just Phillips heads back in and you are good to go. Alrighty guys, it's now time to put our door card back on. Guys, getting the door card back on is pretty straightforward. I guess the hardest part will be to make sure that you're tucking it over this edge and then lining up the clips all the way around. So to start, plug your new master control switch back in, and then bring it up and over like that on a bit of an angle, because you're tucking it under here and you want to tuck it over the top of the metal, and it should hang there, almost look correct. And then you can just run around the edges, grab your interior cover, obviously put your Phillips heads in, 1 and 2 and 3, and that would be job complete, guys. Alrighty guys, I hope everything's gone nice and smoothly with your master control switch. As I said, fairly straightforward. We got it done in 10 minutes and everything's looking nice and OEM, which is good news. Guys, you can obviously now make sure that it's working as intended. Make sure you got your key in accessory mode. But other than that, guys, just remember, if you need the part, we've got it available in the description of this video. And if you can, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know this is what you're looking for when searching for these types of DIY videos. And if you can, subscribe to the channel. We've got heaps of content on cars just like this one that will help you save some more money. Keep the coin in your pocket in the future. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I'll see you next time.